morning for Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough. Woo! Just in time. Damn.
Central Pinellas County in West Central Florida until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Shitty reception. Oh shit, I think I might be under this. That's the first time I've ever seen that. I think I'm actually under this. Yeah, I think I'm under this SVR.
Crystal Beach, Alphers, Beacon Square, Holiday, Palm Harbor, and East Lake. For your protection,
KC38 is about to double head this SVR, so I'm going to get my WR300 ready.
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Pasco, and Pinellas.
Damn it. Wow. Well, that's so cool. I didn't know they did the originator on the WX167. It says KTBW/NWS. Whoa. I mean, I was going to say it came out of nowhere, but that came out of somewhere because I'm under this. A. B. I've been hearing thunder for like the past 30 minutes. He's impacting too. Oh man, you didn't go off.
Trinity, Newport Richie East, Crystal Beach, Alphers, Beacon Square, Holiday, Palm Harbor, and East Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room.
You're off. I don't know why. You're unplugged.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
Damn. Whoa. Oh, special marine warning. Special marine warning.
Coastal waters from Eagle Ridge to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
Jesus.
7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is KC38. It was double-headed, I think, by this SVR. Oh my god. This is hell. I thought we were getting nothing today. Clearly not. RUSKIN wants to take the cake. All hell is breaking loose over here. Wait, no, never mind. You had me in for a weather. Still. Got some excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves. You didn't go off. Bad reception. You didn't go off. You didn't go off. Bad reception. You didn't go off. Bad reception. You didn't double edit.
Panera Beach Reef, Tarpon Springs, Longboat Key, Cocos Bay, Santa Maria Island,
damn.
Treasure Island Reef, past the Grill Channel, Indian Shore Reef, Indian Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee Remote Reef, Manatee 3 Mile Reef, and Turn Pass, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee Remote Reef, Manatee 3 Mile. A special weather statement for the K Beach.
Wow.
32 listening area for the following counties.
Wow, that was a lot. That was four EASs. KC38 went off twice. KC32 went off twice. Oh no, KC32. No, that was 5. That was 5. 5 EAS alerts in one capture. In the span of like, what, 4 minutes? Jesus. RUSKIN, you're pulling the plug today, huh? Did it twice. Unless they cancel the county.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, side injuries.
My God.
Locations affected include.
Oh shit! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in RUSKIN has issued a tornado warning for north central Pinellas County in west central Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh shit!
At 6:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Palm Harbor or near Clearwater, moving southwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clearwater around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ozark and Safety Harbor. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Shit! 107.3!
6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ozark and Safety Harbor.
89.7! 89.7.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Whoa!
A tornado warning has been issued until 6:45
Holy shit, that tornado warning came out of nowhere. We have 3 warnings in effect in the span of like 10 minutes. There are now 3 warnings in effect. 3 warnings, 2 continuations. Now in effect. What? Ruskin! What the f? Oh no! Oh no! What is this? A special rain warning! I told you!
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Gasparilla Island. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Englewood, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Sarasota Bay Heart Reef, Gasparilla Island, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Minnesota Key, Sanibel, Venice, Lynn Silvertooth Reef, and Fort Myers Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Yes, we are. Oh, and we're going to do a 10-50 continuation and a doubleheader. Continuation. And guess what? When you see this here from Charlotte and Lee, there goes each other.
6:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A confirmed tornado was located.
Oh crap! A confirmed tornado! Confirmed tornado!
Hazard: damaging from
Touchdown! Touchdown! Confirmed tornado!
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Whoa!
Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Clearwater around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oldmar and St. Leon. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pinellas, Florida. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Metro and north central Pinellas counties.
Tornado was on the ground.
At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
Here we go again. Severe thunderstorm for Manatee. KC-38 didn't go off. What the fuck? KC-38 didn't go off, you dumbass. Fix your shit, Ruskin.
Thunderstorm was located.
I bet you this is going to be a doubleheader. Well, probably not. No one time up.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source.
Wow.
Impact. Hail
Damage to vehicles is expected.
Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Locations impacted include
Sarasota, Fleming, Almond Peak, Lakeshore Gardens, DeSoto Lakes, The Meadows, North Sarasota, Fountain Park, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, Omega and Whitney Beach.
Whoa. Wait, did it just say Omega?
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following
Shut up and
counties:
listen now.
Florida. The National Weather Service in RUSKIN has issued
Damn.
a special marine warning for
To reiterate, there's a confirmed, well, apparently they canceled the warning, but there's still a funnel cloud. There is a confirmed tornado on the ground. There is an SVR for Manatee. There was an SVR for Pasco and Pinellas. And there's an SPS for Hillsborough for a funnel cloud. And then there's a marine warning. Ruskin, what the hell? In the span of like 15 to 20 minutes, this shit happens. Oh, we going in.
Severe thunderstorms producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from near Sarasota Bay to near Gasparilla Island and near Bonita Beach. The severe thunderstorms were nearly stationary. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Englewood, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Sarasota Bay Heart Reef, Gasparilla Island, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Minnesota Key, Sanibel, Venice, Lens Silvertooth Reef and Fort Myers Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is now 14.38 inches, which is 1.44 inches above normal.
Oh, crap! Oh, no.
At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located near Tampa Bay, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Clearwater Beach, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madera Beach Reef, Pacos Bay, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Passagrille Channel, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Johns Pass, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Jetty Bridge, Egmont Key, Indian Rocks Beach and Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Tampa climate summary for this evening, as of 5 p.m., May 31st, 2022. Today's high temperature was 93 degrees. This high was 3 degrees above the lower high of 90. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over West Samoset, or near Bradenton, moving southwest at 5 miles an hour.
It appears as though we aren't done yet. Quarter-size hail. Source.
About 20 nautical miles. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. 45 p.m. Wind damage to roofs. Siding entries. Eastern Daylight. Locations impacted include Sarasota, Bradenton.
We've been having activation issues.
Lakewood Ranch, Cortez, Elanton, Whidbey Beach, and Samoset. For your protection, move to make sure your room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
107.3 doesn't relay SVRs. Yeah, that was confirmed. I think 93.3 does, though. It's just... I'm too lazy. Okay.
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located near Longboat Key. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Teresita Bay, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, Longboat Key, M4 Reef, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, Siesta Key, and Maria Island, Lynn Silvertooth Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, Sarasota Bay, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Port Manatee Reef, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, New Pass, Manatee 3 Mile South Reef, Passage Key Inlet and Sarasota Bay Harbor Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A special weather statement for the KHV 32 listening area for the following counties in Florida: coastal Manatee